Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. I am so excited about today's video. Today we are making a strawberry velvet banana pudding luxe reveal cake. Hey.
Come on into my kitchen. Let me show you something good. Got a secret hiding inside this cake like I knew it would. Fresh strawberries folded in whole wheat, keeping it right. Allulose instead of sugar, sweetheart. We staying light. Greek yogurt, applesauce, no salt but full of soap. Lemon zest and vanilla, doing what they're told. But wait, you don't even know what's hiding in the middle. Let me build it up slow. Yeah, let me paint the picture. Strawberry velvet, banana pudding inside. Luxe reveal cake, watch your eyes go wide. Low sugar, whole wheat, made it right from scratch. Wendy's in the kitchen and this cake is that. Strawberry drip running down the side. Hidden treasure waiting, gonna blow your mind. Slice it open slow, let the secret show. Wendy's strawberry velvet, here we go. 250 degrees, parchment in the pan. Whisk it, dry ingredients, follow Wendy's plan. Melt that butter down, mix your allulose smooth. Add your eggs one by one, sweetheart, find your groove. Mash bananas in, yogurt, applesauce too. Fold it, don't stir it, that's the thing you gotta do. That's the strawberries fine, lemon juice to keep them right into the oven now. Gonna come out right. But the real magic, baby, it ain't just the cake, it's what's hiding in the middle. For goodness sake, strawberry velvet, banana pudding inside. Luxe reveal cake, watch your eyes go wide. Low sugar, whole wheat, made it right from scratch. Wendy's in the kitchen and this cake is that. Strawberry drip running down the side. Hidden treasure waiting, gonna blow your mind. Slice it open slow, let the secret show. Wendy's strawberry velvet, here we go. Cornstarch and milk, whisk it smooth off the heat. Mashed banana with lemon, egg yolk, allulose sweet. Medium heat, now whisk it constantly. Thick and glossy, bubbling just the way it needs to be. Bloom that gelatin, whisk it in while it's hot. Greek yogurt, delight in it, chill it in the pot. This is the secret, this is the surprise. Hidden banana pudding, gonna open up their eyes. Cream cheese, beaten smooth, not a single lump. Strawberry powder pink, watch that frosting jump. Powder allulose, lemon zest and more. This the kind of frosting that you've been waiting for. Pipe your jam around the edge, spoon that pudding in. Strawberry drip over the top, let the layers begin. Second layer down, crumb coat, chill it right. Frosted full and beautiful, looking like tonight. Strawberry velvet, banana pudding inside. Luxe reveal cake, watch your eyes go wide. Low sugar, whole wheat, made it right from scratch. Wendy's in the kitchen and this cake is that. Strawberry drip running down the side. Hidden treasure waiting, gonna blow your mind. Slice it open slow, let the secret show. Wendy's strawberry velvet, here we go. Pick up the knife now, slow it down, lower it down. This is the moment, gather around. Slice it open, let them see. Banana pudding in the center, it's Wendy. Tag me when you make it, show me your reveal. Drop a comment, hit subscribe, you know the deal. Like this video, ring that bell. Wendy's strawberry velvet, oh so well. Strawberry velvet, banana pudding inside. That's Wendy's kitchen, sweetheart.
This is so moist. Let me know if you tried this recipe.
Every single time.